equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your ASUS M513I and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain the overall performance of your device. If you feel this task is too daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any commitment. Now, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. It is usually a flat ribbon cable secured by a small latch. Carefully lift the latch using your spudger and gently pull the ribbon cable out. Be sure to handle this component with care to avoid any damage. Next, we will remove the old keyboard. Look for any screws that may be securing the keyboard in place. These are often located around the edges of the keyboard. Remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it upwards to detach it from the clips at the bottom. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful installation. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the clips and screw holes. Gently press down to secure it in place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to ensure the keyboard is firmly attached. Once the screws are in, reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely latched. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your options. Power on your ASUS M513i and test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We are here to assist you with any repairs you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.